Hi everyone, it's me again, and I'm here, with a different issue. So the issue is related to the freezer. So this is the Samsung freezer I have. So what happened, like every 5 days, I had noticed, the water is all over the floor coming up from the freezer. So when I opened the door, what I noticed, the floor of the freezer was full of ice, and the water, it it de-iced and just drained out from the lowest point of the freezer. So the reason behind this issue normally happens when the trap, when the drain hole of this freezer get blocked. So it might normally it get blocked, you know because of the ice. So it's a really simple to identify, either how what could be the issue. Either it's a blocked or something else. So I'll show you how to do that one. So there is a hole, like a drain hole, just behind this panel. So this is the Samsung phrase. So behind this panel there is a hole, and it might be full of the ice. And so I'll show you. So at the back of the phrase there is a tray. So normally, if there is water here, and the water is draining out, it then is something different issue. But at the moment, this tray is completely dry. So normally when the water get collected on that channel, or like a small tray, it just drained from the drain pipe, and it just collected here. So at the moment this is completely dry. So that means the drain pipe of this freezer is blocked. So instead of coming this way to the tray, it's just draining out from the door. So to rectify this issue, so normally we have to take this panel out. So this panel is different in different freezers. So this is the Samsung freezer, so the panel is at the back of the freezer. So I had to take all the trays out. I had isolated the electricity as well. So there is a two screw here, and just just pull it. So it comes like this. So there is a cable. So I had disconnected cable as well. So it will come out. So it came out. So here, so the water just get collected here, and it drains, like into the hole. So what I can feel, is full of ice at the moment. So I'll show you how to do that one. So it will come off. So here, look, so this is how it is. So that's the hole, drain hole to the tray, and that's get blocked. So all the water get collected there, and it drains down and then to the floor. And once we de-ice that ice from that hole, or once we unplug that hole, not this one, this hole, this issue will be solved. So like to de-ice that ice from that hole, I can use the hair dryer, or you can just leave the freezer, just switch off for a few hours. And what will happen, all the water, all the ice, it get de-iced, and that hole, that ice get, like it will de-ice and will get collected on the tray, and that will be unblocked. So I hope I have I hope this video helped some of you who had the same issue. So yeah, if you have any issues, please you can just give me a comment, or you can email me. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you.